Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 5th, 2024, yes. Not 2023, but 2024. I've already solved one puzzle in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku. But you are interested in a 4-star Sudoku? Yes. 4-star Sudoku number 7730. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've checked this. 24 printed digits. Yeah. 24. The 4-star Sudoku has usually, yes, as always, 24 printed digits. I thought also for the 3 stars with 25, but the publisher has changed the indication. Anyway, 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes. If it's really a 4 stars, alright. So the 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s, alright, 4 7s, alright, and 3 8s, and 1 9. So the 6s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? Yeah. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, first column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 here, and I need a 6 there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 7 then? 7. Well, will be difficult. 7. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright. Need a 1 here. Okay. And now. 3, 6. 8. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 3, the 6, and 8. 3, 6, 8. So we have a 3, 6, 8 in this row. So no 3, 6, 8 in these 2 boxes. 3, 6, 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. So the 3 and the 6 are left here. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. That means two missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Need a 4 here, need a 5 there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 in one of those two boxes and the 4 in the last row. So no 2 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. We have also the 2 and the 4 in this column. So no 2 or 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 in this big square goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So here we have 3 missing numbers now. 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9 in this row. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square. So no 3 and 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9 here. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 7, 8. Need a 6 here. 4 here. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here, okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 2 and 3 are missing. Yeah, 2 and 3. Interesting. Need to think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Okay. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 5 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Need a 1 here, need a 5 here. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left, the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5, 5. And I need 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in the first column, so no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 1 then. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright, 1, 7, 8. Then. Let me think. 3, 3. Okay. 1 and a 9. How about 2 and a 9? We have all the 6s? No. No. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. I need a 1 here. 1, 4, 5. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 7. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 in the middle column should be here. That means that those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 8. Okay. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So, need a 5 here. 2, 9, need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is more number 8. Need a 7 here. 7. Come on. Need a 7 here. Okay. 5 is not possible. 1 is not possible. 3. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. We have all the 3s. Nope. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 2 and a 4. Okay, we have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. How about the 6s? Nope. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, now only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes and there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. Okay. Then here 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9 are missing in this row. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9 then. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final number in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. 17 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. 4 stars. Well. Nope. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so very well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.